Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get your TeePublic account back once you created your account and it's been suspended, or they terminated your account giving no exact reason or without any reason. You haven't received any email from them. The only thing you received after creating the account on the very next day is violation of terms and conditions, and your account has been suspended or disabled access. So we are going to go through all the things I did with TeePublic in order to get my account back, and maybe you can try the exact same steps and hopefully you will also be able to get your account back. So I have marked all the dates in my email communication with TeePublic so that you can get an idea on how many days you need to wait or how long it takes to get a reply from them. Now let's start from the beginning. I created my account on TeePublic on July 22nd, 2021. And on the very next day, after uploading just one design, they sent me an email that violation of terms and conditions, and they sent, "This is to notify you that as a result of violation of terms and conditions, we have removed or disabled access to the material that appeared at my shop." So after receiving this email, I thought maybe there's something I'm doing wrong, or maybe I uploaded a design which was violating their terms and conditions. So I created another account with a separate email address and I uploaded 5 to 6 designs on that, which I was sure are not violating any terms and conditions. But what happened in that account also, I got an email on the very next day that due to violation of terms and conditions, they have disabled or removed access of my account. So later I decided to get this account back. Now after July 23rd, and seeing my other account also getting disabled, I responded back to them on the very same email chain that, "Hello there, I'm sure all the designs are mine and I haven't violated any of the terms. Can you please check again and fix this? Let me know if you need anything from my end." And this was sent on July 30th. So almost 7 days after my account got suspended. And they didn't respond me. I didn't get any confirmation email or even any notification email. So on August 3, that is exactly after 3 days, I again emailed them, "Hi there, do you have an update for me on this? Can you please let me know?" So this time they responded me and they sent me an email, "Hi Ravi, thank you for reaching out. Your account was flagged for violating our terms and conditions." And they responded me on the very same day within 3 to 4 hours, and they asked me, they said, "If you feel this was done in error, please respond to this email with original PSD files of your artwork or any other files that can establish your ownership over the designs your account had uploaded." So whatever you are uploading on your TeePublic account, they are thinking that maybe this design can be copyrighted, or maybe their bots are blocking your account or suspending your account, and they need to see your original artwork or your original PSD files in order to confirm that your designs are original and they were not copied from somewhere else and you are not breaking any terms and conditions. So again, since I was making designs on Canva, I sent them email on the very same day. As it's been more than 10 plus days since I submitted my designs, I do not remember which exact designs I submitted. So I sent them a link to all the designs which I had made on Canva. There was a file on Canva which had around 100 designs, and I wasn't sure which design was violating the terms and conditions. So I sent them the link to whole file, and I also sent them instructions on how to check each designs, and I also sent them a recording of my screen dashboard showing them all the designs and how I make changes to the designs and where all of my design files are. And I also grant them edit access just to be on safer side and just to make sure that they can trust me and they know that I have actually worked on those designs. So after I sent them all these things, and do remember I sent them everything on August 3rd, that is within 1 hour of getting reply from them. So I sent them 3 emails back to back, one sharing the link of my design file, second giving instructions on how to check different designs in the file, and third a screen recording of showing all the designs I have created and granting them edit access to my design file. So after I sent them this, they replied me on the same day within 1.5 hours, and they said, "Hi Ravi, thank you for this information. Your account has been reinstated and you should be able to log in normally within the next few minutes. Thank you for your patience and please let me know if you have any other questions." So that's how I got my account back. And some of the last minute tips I would like to give you is most of the people when their account gets suspended, they don't follow back, or even if they follow back, they don't try to get an update on that, since they are not getting any reply on their previous emails. So what I would suggest is try to send them 2 to 3 emails, and it's okay to spam them a bit, but let them know that you just want to see an update on your account and what actually happened and what they need in order to approve your account and remove the suspension. So I hope guys this video was helpful to you, and hope you will be able to get your account back with these steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Bye bye, take care, and see you in the next video.